What's up? We are here playing some Clash Royale, and well, I just got into Jungle Arena about 5 minutes ago, maybe, and I was gonna let y'all come and see what was going on. Today, I figured I was gonna try to get myself into Jungle Arena and open up the 3 royal chests right here. I apologize, but I couldn't wait. I had already opened up the fortune chest and the lightning chest. I didn't really get anything good. I did unlock the Goblin Gang, which probably, I don't know. I just unlocked him though, anyways. And these are my legendary cards right now. I'll just go through all my decks real quick. This is my deck that I use. I put the miner and the graveyard at the same time, and it takes away pretty good damage. And I use all my other cards to defend. I use the prince to charge also. This is my baby dragon, inferno dragon deck. This is my lava hound deck. Oh, I can't stand that. Might as well. Anyways, okay. So that is my lava hound deck, and this is my deck that I use most of the time. It works out pretty good for me. I like it. And this is my legendary deck. Anyways. Okay, so let's get to it and open up. We're gonna do the legendary King's chest. I've been waiting for this. Whew, here we go. Wow. That's awesome. This is my first time doing a draft chest. It's actually, I kind of like it. I'm going to choose the goblins because I don't have as many as those. I don't use those cards anyways. Ooh, I think I'm going to go with my, I'm gonna go with my elite barbarians there, and yeah, moving on. Ooh, I think I'm gonna go with my zap. Let's see here, we got some graves. Oh, definitely choosing that card. I'm all about unlocking new cards. Well, I guess I'll have to go with this one since I don't have as many. I don't use those anyways. Let's see. Epic. Oh, that's an easy one. And now, what are we gonna get? Oh, you're kidding me. Hey, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'm gonna go with the Electro Wizard because I do not have him yet. Screenshot of that. And, that's what I'm gonna, yeah. That's pretty cool. That's cool right there. I like that. Anyways. Randomly screenshotting. Okay, so I don't know if I want to open up a couple lightning chests or go with that fortune chest. Here, let's see what all we can get. Oh, we could go for that executioner. Take us a chance at the executioner and the fortune chest. Nope, no, I don't think we can. I'm just an idiot who doesn't really know what I'm talking about. Never mind. I don't know what I'm talking about. Let's see, what are we able to get in here? 18 there's 2 epics, and I'll get... That's a toughie. Well then, I think I'm going to, I think I'm going to take my odds and do a couple of lightning chests. That still gives me a chance at the Dark Goblin and the Executioner at the same time. So, yeah, let's do that. And maybe, if I don't get it, I'll get lucky and the Executioner will pop up in my shop. Anyways, okay, so let's see, we can open up 3 of these. Let's do it. See what this is. Right. And hey, I'll take it. Oh, you're kidding me. Let's see if we can get a... Yes! Thank you, we did it. There we go. Got the Goblin Gang and the Dark Goblin. I'll do that later. That's awesome. That is. So now all I need is we got that a while ago. I just need that Executioner. So let's see if I can use my strikes and get the Executioner. Almost done. I'm sorry, guys. Let's see here. And we get 20. Yes, oh my gosh, we are lucky. Oh, we are looking out. There we go. We have, oh yeah. No, I don't want to do that. Anyways. So now we have all of the cards except for the bandit. From that's cool right there. Anyways, so I don't know if this is fun for you to watch or not, but that is what we have. Oh yeah. Anyways, that's our new cards for today. I just got in here and have all the cards. I'm going to take that as an accomplishment. Well, except for the bandit. And, so yeah. See what other cards we're missing. And that's it. Not too shabby. Anyways. So, thank y'all for watching. I hope that y'all will be back. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you later.